How microinteractions help create a great user experience. Microinteractions are a two-way bridge between the user and the application. They are context-specific small animations designed to show system status, prevent errors, and give instant feedback, ideal for interacting. They create connectivity and provide user satisfaction. When it comes to design, microinteractions can be used in two ways. First way, by user-triggered actions like tapping, swiping, voice, etc. For example, while scrolling through a social media page, you find something you like and double-tap it to like it. A heartbeat animation appears at the center of the post, and the heart icon below the post turns red, confirming that you liked that post. Similarly, to download a song on your music app, you click on the download icon. The icon displays a small animation that shows that the song is being downloaded. Once it's completed, it shows a tick mark confirming the download. Second way, by creating animations that provide information based on system input or when users show a collective behavior. Here's an example for system input information. When you order a meal, the status of the order updates, showing that the food is being prepared. Once the delivery guy picks it up, the time taken for the order to reach you is highlighted. A live stream video is a great example of collective behavior information. While watching a video, many emoticons pop up on the screen at different times, showing the emotions of other users too. Well, these are some of the best ways to incorporate microinteractions for a better user experience.